Welcome back, everyone. And yeah, this is the entry number 8. It's from H-Chona, and also them always know how to pronounce the name. And yeah, she has a YouTube video, and I'll pop her link below the description box. And she did amazing work. And yeah, she mentioned to me before that her camera is oversized because she did this in the just look at this. Let me to grab something to okay, so you can see this. So, and look at the size. Let me to grab mine. This is, yeah, I have the tutorial. I have a tutorial to show you how to make this camera. Yeah, if you're interested, yeah, you can stop by to my channel, and yeah, it's very easy to follow the tutorial. So you can see the difference, the size. So this she make them much bigger than my original size. I just love it because she make this is my favorite theme. It's a tea, and yeah, I just couldn't. I just love to make. Let me put back my camera first. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I love all. Yeah, just forever my favorite tea party theme. Look at the size, and she has the video, and I will pop the link below the description box. And please, yeah, feel free to show her crafty love, and she always did an amazing work. So you can see the frame, and she already glued this fix here. And she's so nice because she include my little candy girl, Candy Boo. My candy is outside. Yeah, she found this. Look, yeah, just look like my candy for baby. She include this in the frame, and just amazing, and all the detail, and she put so, and just love this pearl dangle here. Look at this piece here. I just love this. And where do you get this one? And it's very light. Okay, and she make this one, and she make the stick paint, and the stick paint. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this, and look at this set here. Oh my goodness, and she glue everything. And I just find out this is the cake. It's a birthday cake because she make this one for my birthday challenge. Look at this. Happy birthday. Look at this cake here. It's just so lovely. Look at this. And this is another side here. And this is the Christmas theme. Look at this. Make a doll. It's behind. And this is the bottom. And ladies and gentlemen, this haven't finished yet, cause when you open it up, you can see what inside the box. Make it little tiny. Look at this one. Cause I just love miniature. Cause I collect so many years before I start this craft hobby. I just love to collect and make the small tiny stuff. And she make this one in the box. This is just a wonderful and great idea. And she used this one, I believe it's a box or what, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe it's a wooden box. Yeah, she created this one. Such a wonderful idea. And this is the crochet flower here. And just love this, so super cute. And the tiny chair, and the teacup, and teddy bear, and little couch here, and the Christmas tree. Look at this. I just love this. I will crazy because when I say the teapot and tea set. Look at this, and you can see inside is another Christmas tree. This is just so super cute. And yes, they make one for me also. Is in the tea theme, and I just love it. Another entry. This is the second entry for me. It's a tea set, and I love the one Sissy make for me. So yeah, it's very just my style. I just love tea set. I'm just crazy about this. And this one include cake, and she make this shabby chic cake here. Awesome idea. Just love it, Donna. I love. And yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and please feel free to stop by to Kona channel. And she make so many beautiful awesome project share in her channel, and you can check her out. And I believe still have some entry is on my way soon. I will show you when they arrive. So yeah, this is gorgeous, and we'll hang this. This is the giant camera box. And yeah, she also sent me this, a tiny one, and this is mommy, and this is baby camera. And thank you so much, Fana, for taking your time to participate into this channel. And yeah, and thanks again, and best of luck, and hope you just best of luck for your challenge. Okay, look at this, gorgeous. And thanks again for everyone, and let me just zoom in so you can see clear, and bye bye.